Hello everyone, this is Purti Vishwas. I hope 2021 has been treating you really well. With all those scares that has happened last year, I hope you've kept it aside and move forward with a lot of big dreams, aspirations and hopes of doing something exceptionally well. So I wish each one of you a very happy new year and a fantastic year ahead. With this video, I am back with each one of you, my dear mentees, to share with you one of the biggest ever news of my life. Yes, I'm here to tell you about my second biggest vision after KWAA. Yes, this is going to be a revolutionary concept which is going to create a sensation in our country in a domain which I've been closely working on since years now, that is women empowerment, which is very close to my heart, and I genuinely want to bring in a big difference in this domain. And if you guys, my dear mentees, have been watching this video, it simply means that you already have a key access to this revolutionary concept. If this sounds exciting for each one of you, then hold on and watch this video until the end with all your heart and soul. Well, if you're seeing my excitement, you all surely know how close this concept has been to my heart. To be very frank, I keep receiving so many messages from women across the country, across the state, even smallest of smallest cities in Karnataka, saying that Spurti, even I want to do something big, but I really don't have that support. And this has been pricking me and actually bothering me since a very long time, ever since I started KWA. And with this journey of KWA, after meeting over thousands of people, hearing their stories and how they crossed those hurdles and hustles to reach where they are, I have really understood what it really takes to become a successful woman. And with all those learnings, to support these women who really need that support, really need that empowerment, really need that encouragement and mentoring, we have come up with this revolutionary concept, She India. See Her Empowered India, and this is going to be one of the most powerful community India could ever witness in the domain of women empowerment. So like I said, She India is going to be one of the most powerful community any aspiring women can look up to. So before I tell you more about it, I want to share why I'm starting this and how it all began. Like you all know, through my platform Karnataka Women Achievers Awards, we have been recognizing the truly deserving unsung women achievers of Karnataka, and shortly we are also launching Indian Women Achievers Awards to recognize those women who truly deserve to be recognized. And through these platforms, we have been inspiring so many thousands of aspiring women achievers to do something in their life. Yes, through these platforms, we are recognizing women, but what are we doing to those women who want to do something for their lives? So with that thought, I must tell you that I really found the bigger purpose of my life, that I don't just want to recognize women achievers, but I also want, through my community, through my team and through my organization, we just don't want to recognize women achievers, we also want to create women achievers, and that is how we came up with She India. I've been thinking of this since months now, and who else could be a better person to reach out to conceptualize this, to structurize this, to help me build this concept, build this mission just the way I want. Yes, I reached out to my mentor Darshan Somaya, like you all know, who's popularly known as India's own millionaire mentor, who can be the brain behind this entire concept to bring a larger than picture idea and larger than picture concepts and structure to this entire concept. Yes, so along with my mentor's support, here I am, who's going to be the biggest backbone to this entire concept. We are all set to bring a sensation in a domain of empowering women through this concept, She India. I know this sounds big, this sounds exciting, but let me also tell you that this platform is definitely not for everybody. This is for those aspiring women achievers who has that fire in them, who has that drive in them, who has that biggest desire to do something exceptional in their life. This is not for somebody who wants to live a casual and normal life, but want to create something extraordinary, create their own niche, who wants to become high powered, who wants to have that personality power, who wants to do something exceptionally big in in their life. And if you think that you are one among these women who dream big, who want to do something exceptionally big, this platform is for you. But to get that direct access, I am giving that first hand opportunity for you guys who are watching this video, who have been a part of my training community, because I know you guys truly understand my vision, truly know how deep desire I have to create a difference in women community, because all of you guys have been trained by Dream Big companies. So I know each one of you have that deepest desire to do something exceptionally big. So I'm introducing She India Platinum. Yes, She India Platinum exclusively for all of you, my mentees who have been trained and certified under Dream Big Academy. So how does this She India Platinum work? She India Platinum, like I mentioned, it's exclusively for my students who have been certified by me, who have been trained by me. This is a yearly subscription plan where you get an access and an opportunity to be with me the entire year. So this includes 3 training programs every single month where I will be training you on personality development, career development, relationship, finance and your business, and every aspect that can help you uplift yourself. Along with these 3 sessions, I will also be having one question answer session. Like you all know, my question answer session goes on for long hours where you will be allowed to ask any questions that is bothering you, that is holding you back, and I will be there to help you, mentor you, support you and clear all those doubts that's there with you. And along with all of this, this is going to give you a big networking opportunity with aspiring women achievers across the country, where you will be able to network, create and share your story with everybody. And it is just not this. There's something very exciting about this platform, which is going to be a community meetup opportunity with all of you guys once in every 2 months. And in this community meetup, I will be inviting some of the most inspiring women achievers for a panel discussions where they will be sharing their story with each of you, and you will be given an opportunity to talk to them, ask them and learn a lot from their journey. And along with this, on this community meetup day, 5 of you will be chosen to speak about your story, speak about your brand in front of those dignitaries and also with your fellow participants. What can be more exciting for you guys to make this 2021, after all those pandemic, to make it bigger, exceptional and extraordinary for each one of you. If this sounds interesting and exciting to you, and if you think that this opportunity can bring in a huge difference in your life, and if you want me to guide you and mentor you for the next entire year, and if you want to be a part of this exciting revolutionary concept, She India Platinum, all you have to do is fill up the form attached with this video and send it back to us, which gives you an access to a meeting where I will be explaining you each and everything about this entire concept, where you will get an access to be a part of it. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and fill the form. My team will get in touch with you. Until then, I'm going to wish you lots of love, lots of happiness and wish you all the very best. I will look forward to see you in the meeting of She India Platinum.